Do you remember when you first used ChatGPT or OpenAI, it did not knew much about you or any latest information because it was able to respond only to the information on which it was trained upon. But that is not how we use these tools in these days. In 2026, it is able to access anything that is available on internet. It can find the relevant information from your documentation and answers you. So what makes it so powerful so that it is very customized for your use case? It is knowledge base. It is the door of knowledge base which has been opened for the AI models so that they can understand your part of the world and answer you for the questions that you have specifically about your business or your problem statements. So, what is a knowledge base? It is nothing but a collection of data. Data can be in any format, it can be a structured, unstructured image, or any other format which any AI model can understand. So, it is basically a collection of data that you give your AI models so that it can read and enrich itself to customized answers for you, right? That is what knowledge base is. And now, as I said, there are many different types of knowledge bases. There can be static PDF document, Word document. There can be access to internal portals that you have. There can be access to specific images that you want to give, and it will read and understand what is there in that image. Or it can be as wide as opening access to your databases. So imagine that if you are running a washing machine selling company and there is another company which is doing a similar business. Now, if a customer gives a calls to company A and asks about after sales service, it will access the knowledge base of that particular company and gives the answers from that particular documentation and that particular process. And if the customer gives calls to company B, it will access the information from that particular company and answers the same question in a different way because now this company has a different process of after sales service. Understood? That is a difference between knowledge bases. Now, taking it to the next level, imagine if the vice president of that company wants to know what is the sale of my washing machine right now in company A and in company B. Now, both these vice president will fire the same query but will get different results because these knowledge bases are nothing but your real-time transaction databases, which will tell them how much sale is happening in company A and how much sale is happening in company B. So that is how we use knowledge bases to enrich LLM models with your company specific data. But that is not it. To make it even more dynamic and answers it in real time, you cannot allow these LLM models to read the structured and unstructured data when you are asking the questions. They need to be broken down into mathematical numbers so that they can be processed faster. This is called vector store. What is vector store? Let's understand this in our next video.